What do you mean they have her? Tell me where she is right now. Don't you dare hang up on me.
Understood. I'll notify the evening shift. We'll follow up on the paperwork first thing.
All right, listen up. We have a confirmed location for the suspect. I want immediate deployment of all available units. Move now.
Radios check. Loud and clear.
All right, everyone geared up. Let's move out.
I'll drive the next shift. Did you confirm the pickup at the shelter?
Yes, confirmed for 1,400 hours.
We appreciate your cooperation with the animal control officers.
We understand. Thank you, officer.
Okay, on 3. We'll try to roll her gently. Ready when you are. Be careful of the little ones.
Understood. Send the rescue unit to the coordinates now.
We need to prioritize the safety of the animals involved.
We're approaching the structure now. Bring the trauma kit and the Lucas.
Okay, gently now. Steady. Looks good from here.
All right, keep it steady now.
Clear. Bring it down slowly.
He's stable. The surgery went exceptionally well, and we anticipate a full recovery thanks to the rapid response team.
Easy now. Watch the wheel on the straw.
Got it. Looks like the whole family is coming with us.
Help me, please. I'm at the old steel factory. I think they're coming back.
We have a confirmed location. Mobilize immediately. Let's move.
Hurry, it's right over there.
All right, men, you heard them. Get those balls ready and fire.
Keep pressure on that. The injection worked. She's looking much better.
Secure the perimeter. Target the serpent. Set weapons to stun. Move!